In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import passwords to 1password, ensuring that all your online credentials are securely managed in one place. Whether you're transitioning from another password manager or simply looking to consolidate your information, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as seamless as possible. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the 1password website. This is where you can access all the features of 1password, including importing your passwords. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click the Login button. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up and create your account. But assuming you already have your credentials, proceed to log in using your email and master password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your 1password homepage. From here, you'll see several options and tools that 1password provides. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking on your account name. This is located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking here will bring a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Profile. Now with your profile page open, you're ready to begin the import process. Locate the Import Data button, which can generally be found within your profile settings. By accessing this feature, 1password allows you to bring in information from various other password managers, all with just a few clicks. As you click Import Data, you'll be prompted to choose where you're importing your passwords from. This is essential because 1password supports a variety of formats and will customize the import process based on the source you select. This step ensures that all your information is accurately brought into your new 1password vault. Follow the outlined instructions specific to the option you choose, and it will guide you through importing your data efficiently and safely. Throughout this process, it's important to keep in mind that 1password places a strong emphasis on security. Rest assured that as you import your passwords, the information is encrypted, safeguarding it from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, check the help section on the 1password website, which offers great resources and customer support. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully imported your passwords to 1password. From here, you can organize your vault, create secure notes, and explore the other fantastic features 1password offers to enhance your online security. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your transition to 1password, streamlining your password management and fortifying your digital security.